Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today I'm going to show you a brand new release from Envy. This is Sonia and the color is Ginger Cream. This wig was provided to me for review by wigstudio1.com, so be sure to go over there and have a look at it there. I like this color, Ginger Cream. Let's take a look at this. Medium gold, lots of gold here. You can see all of this gold, and then it's highlighted with these pale blonde highlights. Now, there's a lot of hair on this wig. If you are a person that likes a lot of hair, this is your wig. But just to let you know, there is a lot of hair on this wig. This is available in 25 shades. Like I said, it's a brand new style. Look at these waves, this shoulder length waves. It is beautiful, really beautiful. Now, this is a basic cap. There's no lace front here. As you can see, it has these little bangs. They're 5.5 inches on the bangs. Now the crown of this is 11.5 and the sides are 11.5 as well, and it has a 10-inch nape. This fit me huge. I have a 21.25 inch head circumference and I had to really use the adjusters to bring this in, and I'll show you that when I show you the inside of the cap. But I just think these waves. Now if you're looking for something to wear in an updo, this might be a good choice for you. I think this would work well in a clip. Let's see. You could get it up off your neck that way. Just have a little clip here. Pull a little down if you'd like. So you could easily wear this up off your neck. This would be so pretty to take into evening, pull back, wear with something, a really pretty clip or just a pin or whatever you'd like. These wigs that have a little more length on them, they're easier to style in my opinion. You can do a lot with a long wig. Now let's talk about the permatease. There is definitely permatease in this wig. It's running all throughout. I feel a lot of permatease at the nape of this. The top is not a huge amount of permatease here. As you can see, it lays pretty flat. There is some though, like I said, this is a basic cap, so there is going to be some permatease, but there is a lot of permatease in the nape of this. A lot. Wow, this is just beautiful. These waves, these wavy wigs are so popular right now. Really, really nice. Okay, here's a look at the inside of the cap. Like we discussed, basic cap, permatease here, no lace front, closed ear tabs with stays. There is a non-extended nape, and you see I had to pull these adjusters in here. They're the pull adjusters. This was really big and there is a lot of stretch here. So if you have a larger circumference, this will probably work for you. And here's another look at Ginger Cream. Thanks for joining me today and a look at this new style by Envy. Again, please go to wigstudio1.com and check it out. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please join me over there. I have completely different wig content on Instagram, so I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye.